Yeah, good evening, my brothers and sisters of Goa. Today, I would like to basically try to embarrass all us voters. As we all are aware, that shortly, maybe in another 6 months or so, the assembly elections are going to be coming up. Like the saying goes, you know, fool makers to become fools. Fool makers, okay, are very less. But fools are in plenty. Now, who are the fools? You and me, the voters. We are the fools. And who are the fool makers? The people who are coming today on your doorsteps giving you a ration, coming and showing that they are very concerned about the situation that you are living in, that you are living under, whether you've been treated well or not. They try to show that they're concerned. Okay, it is only now, the 6 months now, they have to work very hard. Work hard for what? To make fools out of you and me. You understand? And for sure, you all will become fools. Because at the day of elections, you will see them standing in corners to try to draw your attention. Hey, you remember? Amtuka ration dilo. You remember? I came when you were having a problem for your road. The problem has not been done. The problem has not been sorted out. But they came to show they care, to listen to you, your problems. Where were they for the 5 years that has passed by, when you had already voted for them and they had already made promises to you? The promises which were never kept. They come to make the same promises to you today again. Yeah? They are going to start pointing out fingers to other politicians to show, okay, how they are liars, how they have not kept up to their commitments to y'all, their promises to y'all, and how clean, and how we are here to come to save you. We are come now. You vote for us, and we will do this for you, and we will do that for you, and we will give your children a better future. Wow. And you and I, the fools, will go and vote for them. And after they vote for you, after you vote for them, for the next 5 years, you will never see their faces. You know why? You know why? Because they are busy making the money that they have paid for your ration, that they have paid to give 500, 1,000 rupees in your hand to give them the votes. And all those people that are around these fool makers are the ones that you have to be very careful of. Your neighbors, people who are looking, promises have been made to them. I will give you this position. I will give your children, your son this job, government job. I will do this for you. I will do that for you. Nothing. Nothing. Remember this. You want to vote for somebody? You have to vote, no? वोट दिवपाच जाय न्हू कोणाक? तुजो वोट किंमत किती आहा तुजो वोटाचो? 500 रुपया, 1000 रुपया, 5000 रुपया, ते तुजो वोटाचो किंमत आसा? आणि तो तुजो वोटान करोड रुपया करता. They are earning crores of rupees. They don't care about you. They say, why do you need to worry about Michael? Michael कोण रे? त्यांनी म्हाका कितें फेवर केलें? I didn't pay for his vote. I didn't give him 5,000 rupees. I didn't go to his house and give him ration. I didn't come to his house when he called. That is only now, during election time. And we are bukkards, voters. आम्ही भुक्कड आसा. For that 5,000 rupees, you will sell the future of your children. You will sell your state of Goa. You will sell God if you have to sell. We are all become so shameless. We never learn. We don't want to learn. We human beings, no, will never learn. Especially we Goans. Look at the state of Goa. Look at the state of Goa today. Where are the Goans? Where are the Goans? Today, all the migrants, all the outside people who are holding 2 ration cards, 2 voters cards, 2 Aadhaar cards, everything, one in their state, one in here in Goa. This only happens in Goa. Why? Because we Goans are fighting against each other, pulling each other down. When these people, outsiders, are coming and becoming Goans. You get my point? What I'm saying? It will hurt you. Tuka lagtale. Aye. It will hurt you. But tomorrow, don't blame anybody. Don't blame Goans. Don't blame outsiders. तू बाहेरचं मुनीस सांगता न्हू तशें भायराचो मुनीस आहा ते घाटी आसा तो घाटी गोंयकार आसतले. Those Goans, those Ghatis will be Goans. You see? Why? Because they will be named Goa. Goa name will be there. G-O-A, Goa state will be there. Goenkar na. There are no Goans in Goa. Only name Goa. Why? Because all the Goans are being pushed out. By who? These same politicians who are coming to your house. Asking for votes. Giving you ration. Giving you 500, giving you 5,000 rupees for your votes. You want to sell your votes? Your vote should be worth 1 crore rupees. 1 crore. 1 vote in your family. Since to me, tu ye aha poishe lagun nu. Sell at least, but sell for good price. Sell your votes for good price. 1 crore per vote. Otherwise, vote for the person who doesn't come to your house giving you a ration. Who doesn't come to your house giving you false promises. Who doesn't come to your house trying to show that, we are here for you and your family. Nobody is here for anybody. They are only there for themselves. Remember this, to loot our state of Goa, to loot our country of our taxpayers' money, and at the same time threaten us. Using our money to pay police force, to pay government officials, for what? For us to keep paying bribes to them. That is how they make their money. So don't complain. Don't complain. When the Ghatis take your place, no, you call them Ghatis, no? Okay? Already they are Goans. Ghati kon tu zana? Ami Goenkars. Original Goans are Ghatis. We are Ghatis. Because we are now becoming minorities. Understand one thing, this is realistic. Tu kide ban kor? Tu maka rostean med, maka mar, tu ford maka, kide ban kor? No problem. Okay, that is all you all can do. You all cannot do anything else but beat up some Goan for talking the right thing. But you will not do anything. Ye advice to me gyo na. You all will not take my the advice that I am giving you today from my heart. What I am telling you, it hurts me as a Goan. It hurts me to see what is happening to Goa and to see what is happening to Goans. Where are the jobs? Where are the jobs? 20,000 jobs for Goans. Goans. Who is Goan? Goan origin or people that are living in Goa? Is it given to Goan origins? Or for people that have come and they are living in Goa, they have a house, they have property, they have khabja out some property, they have taken Kumnidad land, they have utilized the corrupt system like the panchayats and the municipalities and your godfathers, your MLAs. 6 months, assembly elections. Wake up! Wake up! Ani tuka konak vote diupache nu? You already remember who you are going to vote for. Because your vote is very important for your state of Goa and for the future of your children. If you sell it, you are selling the souls of your children. You are selling and you're disturbing the peace of your ancestors who are gone, who have lived with dignity and love. So go. The choice is yours. 6 months. Already they are working. Already people are working to make their own political career. They want to show aggressiveness to their party. The party people will start coming down, supporting Yubak. You have the right to vote for whoever you want to. Okay? I am only expressing my freedom of expression as a frustrated Goenkar. So now, you all can vote for the corrupt. You all can sell your votes. You all can eat the biryani. You all can take the ration. I have been seeing big homes, good families, taking like bhikaris. They're taking ration from these politicians. You all don't have ration in your house? You don't have ration in your house? You all are starving? Your husband, your father, your mother is not providing for you enough that you all have to take from this evil, corrupt people ration? Shame on you all. Shame on you all. Now go and vote and let your country down. See the state of our country. We are coming down to the low 10 poorest countries in the world. See what is happening to our country. Look at the prices going high. Petrol prices, food prices. Sogle, where hoita? Your salary is going up. Is your salary going up? Has the government made your salary go up? No. Rates are gone up. Taxes are increasing. Everything you buy, even a needle, you are paying tax on, GST. Income tax every year you are paying. But have they increased your salary? That you think. And after that, you vote. I am just talking as another voter. I am talking as a social worker. I am not a politician. But I'll also tell you one thing. There are many people like me who are social workers who might want to contest genuinely for Goa and Goans, to save Goa and to save Goans. Genuinely. But y'all are so shameless, no? Y'all will still vote for those same corrupt people who for years have been giving you the same dialogue. The same dialogue. The same manifest. And you'll believe. And after that, what? You're like ignored. Sodle tuka. So, have a good life, Now elections are coming. Go behind like kutreyas, like dogs, no? Go behind these politicians and support them, okay? Okay, bye. Jai Hind. Destroy your families.